Hello everyone, welcome to Google Sheet Pro. Today in this video we will learn about remove duplicate value in Google Sheet. In this video I am going to show you how to remove duplicates value. As you can see here, I have listed products along with their price. All the products and prices are shown here, but apple and banana have been used with, and there is another duplicate with prices. Now I want to get a unique list, meaning I don't want to include any duplicates. So first I will select the list, then go to the data tabs, and here you can see data cleanup. Next click on remove duplicates. Once you click on it, it will ask if you have any headers since products and price are headers. We will check those options. Now it will ask from which columns you want to remove duplicates. We will select both product and price columns and then click on remove. Now you will see that it found 3 duplicates including apple, banana and a price value, and it has removed them. The remaining values are unique. Click OK, and now you will see only unique values in your list. I hope this video was helpful and that you understood everything. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video.